Welcome to the LTF Flexi Classes YouTube channel. My name is Layla and I'm a native Japanese speaker. Today we are going to learn the best tips for learning hiragana and katakana. If you like learning languages and enjoy our content, please give us a subscribe and thumbs up in the comments below. I also have my own personal YouTube channel called Baisa Japanese, where I dig even deeper into the Japanese language. You can find the link to my channel in the description below. Okay, let's move on to the best ways to learn Japanese alphabets. Number 1, download apps. It's a good idea to download Duolingo, Scritter, and Lingodeer before doing anything. These are 3 apps with a really good introduction to the Japanese alphabets. Sometimes people get scared with Japanese because it appears so different. But these apps have good tutorials for starting from the very beginning. Download them and use them every day for at least a few minutes. Number 2, make post-it notes and flashcards. You'll find some hiragana and katakana look the same. For example, foreigners tend to have problems remembering so and so and shi and tsu when starting to learn Japanese. This is perfectly normal, but the best way to solve this is by using flashcards in apps like Anki, or make post-it notes and put them around your house so you always see them. For example, on your fridge door or on your bedroom wall. This will help you remember them. Another example of hiragana and katakana that look the same, ki and sa, ki and sa. Can you see the difference? Also, nu and me. Nu and me. They look very similar too. How about the katakana ke and ku? Ke, ku. Number 3, practice. Practice. We mentioned this before, but regular practice is really important when learning the Japanese alphabet. Even just 15 minutes a day can make the difference. It sounds boring, but once you get there, you'll be reading Japanese material and feeling great. It's even better with katakana because most of these are long words or names. So once you can read katakana, you'll be able to read the words like mansion, mansion, which means mansion, butter, butter, which means butter, juice, juice. Can you guess what it means? If you said juice, well done. Story, story. What does it sound like? Any ideas? If you said story, よくできました. Now what about this country name? America, America. This means America, of course. See how similar they sound? This is the beauty of learning katakana. Don't be scared, embrace the challenge. Number 4, understand the dakuten. Dakuten. To differentiate between voiced and unvoiced, consonants in Japanese, a double dash is used on top of the unvoiced counterparts, or a small circle is used too. This is known as a dakuten. Dakuten. Let's take a look at example. Ka and ga. Ka and ga. Can you spot the dakuten? It's small, but it makes a big difference in sound. What about this example? Ha, pa, and ba. Did you spot the dakuten? It's important to learn these as you learn the Japanese alphabet. Don't worry though, all of the apps in tip number 1 have tutorials on this, and you can also visit the Flexi Class website for further tutorials on the Japanese blog. A link will be below in the description. Number 5, download a Japanese keyboard. Typing on your phone in Japanese is a great way to understand the building blocks of Japanese. It's great practice and not so difficult. You can find out how to download a Japanese keyboard on our blog. It's really easy to do and you can practice with your Japanese friends or teachers. You can download the Romaji or Hiragana keyboard. Or you can even select both and play with them. Romaji is easier to use for foreigners, but the Hiragana keyboard will help you improve faster, although it takes longer to type for foreigners at the beginner's level. If you're wondering how to type in Japanese, when there are 3 alphabet systems. Don't worry. In Japanese, there are certain words usually written either in katakana, hiragana, or kanji. Therefore, if you type these words in Japanese, the keyboard will automatically choose the most appropriate alphabet. Is it right? And these are our top tips for learning hiragana and katakana. So be sure to study Japanese every day if you can and make slow and steady improvement. It's not a race, and steady progress is always a winning formula. LTL Flexi Classes also provide specific hiragana and katakana classes, which you can take as well. Come and check it out and head to my channel to grab 6 free Flexi Classes. じゃあ、日本語の勉強頑張ってください。Good luck with your Japanese study. Thank you very much for watching until the end. 最後まで見てくれてありがとうございます。じゃあまた次のビデオで会いましょう。I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!